What's the meaning of checkbook? Checkbook. Checkbook.
Checkbook. Checkbook. A checkbook is a booklet containing checks that account holders use to withdraw money from their bank accounts. The account holder writes the amount they want to withdraw on the check, signs it, and gives it to the payee, who can then take it to their own bank and exchange it for the cash value of the check. Checkbooks are primarily used for making payments or transferring money between accounts. They offer a convenient and secure way to make payments without the need for cash transactions, making them a popular tool for personal and business banking.